This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 24RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, microwave, stovetop burner, awning, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, LP detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 24RL is 7,674 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.